Hey everyone, welcome back to our Cyberpodden channel. I am Tapas. In today's session, we are going to see how we can add a storage disk in our VM itself. So for that reason, what you are going to do is just click on the one VM in there, and after that, just click on the setting icon. Then once you have clicked, come to the storage. Then here you need to click on the SATA here, controller SATA, and just click in this option, this disk option. Then if you have already disk, you can take that one, or else see I have already one disk, I can take this one, or else if you want to take you want to create the new one, just click on the next and select the size. So here I want to take around 1 GB of storage. Just do finish. So as you want guys, you can take that much of size of storage. Okay, then just click on the choose. That's it, it got selected now. Okay, the storage got added. Then do okay. Once you have added that storage, just do verify once. Just start your VM, and you know the command lsblk, right? So with that, just try to see. You'll be see there one disk will be added, like name called sdb. Okay, let me log in with root here. Then open the terminal and do ls, run the command lsblk, and see, you can see here one disk got added sdb, and here what the size is 1 GB. So if you want to create a partition under this, you can with the help of fdisk command. Then the full path of that disk you need to specify there sdb. Then for creating a new partition, be to primary, then just hit enter to take the default one. First sector leave as it is. In the last sector, just add the size, how much of uh, what the size you want to allocate for your partition. So 150 MB of size we are allocating for our partition here. Just hit enter. Now the partition got created. Now just do save. Right. W. Then run the command part. That's it. Then if I'll do lsblk once again, see, you can see the partition got created. This is what the procedure. You can add the disk and you can do the partition under the disk. Okay. So if it is clear, just ping in the comment box. Thank you.